What's up, my people? What's up? Like right now, if you come to on my Binance.com here, and then you log into your account, guys, like that, you can see I have a balance of 165 USDT, and this is where, guys, I've been trading and making money. If I scroll down here and go to P2P trading, and then I click on sell, guys, and then I put USDT, okay, and then amount I will put 165, the one I had, and then I'll scroll again down here and I'll find this vendor called Olomide. You see the price is 1.21, and then I sell, okay. Let me sell to this guy called Olomide, and then, guys, I scroll again and I will put amount is 165, amount is 165, okay, and then continue. See, they say that I need to transfer funds first, so what I'll do, guys, I'll go to wallet and then I'll click on transfer, and then I'll choose USDT. I'll put it, you see it's on spot wallet. Now I'm going to move it to funding wallet, so I'll click on put maximum, and then continue to transfer. I send it to funding wallet, okay. So now I'll go again back to P2P trading, sell, and then USDT amount 165, and then, guys, I'll now find another vendor because that one is already gone. I'll use Pierre, and then amount I'll put 165, and then continue. See, I have 162 now because of the transfer fee, so I'll put 162, continue, and then payment, guys, I'm going to choose USDT, and I'm going to receive in my spot wallet, okay. So you see, they say that you have one unreleased trade that needs your attention. Please go. So I'll go back to my P2P trading now. I'll go to transaction history, then I release that trade, guys, transaction history, and then this is the trade that I need to release, status. As you can see, now I need to release this trade so that it can allow me to trade again, okay. So I will now go back here and then log in, and then I will log into my account again. So now you can see I'm logged in, so I'm now going to trade again and see how much profit I will get, and then I'll choose USDT the same way, and amount 162 now. Then I'll choose now Olomide Adebayo, and then I'll put amount 162, and you see in 162 USDT I'm going to receive 196, guys. So that's a profit of around $30, and then continue. Payment, I'll choose USDT, and then the Binance Spot wallet, receiving wallet. Now you see it's now processing. So now, guys, I'll scroll down here, and then I'll now go chat the vendor. Hi, please release trade, like that, guys. So now I'm waiting for the vendor to release the trade, and then I will be getting back to you once the trade is completed. So as you can see, the trade is still waiting to be released, guys. Once the vendor releases the trade, I will have made amount of 196 from 162, okay. So let me wait for it to arrive, okay, just in a few. I'm having some water here. I'm drinking some water here. You can see it's the sunny while still waiting for the trade to come. So let's wait for the vendor to release the trade. Remember guys, the trade limit time is 30 minutes. If 30 minutes end before the trader hasn't yet released the trade, you just have to cancel, okay? So don't worry. Also, if the trader doesn't pay you, you can report to customer care and they release the trade for you without any worry at all. So now it's 27 minutes remaining, but I think it usually takes about 3 to 10 minutes. 3 maximum, 3 minutes maximum. So let's wait and see. Still waiting for it, guys. You need to be very patient when doing this because P2P trading, you have to be very, very patient. Yeah, as I am very, very, very patient as well. Okay. So, oh wow, the vendor has just paid me. You can see. So what I need to do is go back to dashboard, and now I'll log in again. So now you can see I have 196 USDT, and if I go to transaction history, so guys, now I'll go to transaction history because the vendor has already released the trade. I'll go to transaction history, and then you can see the trade is here. I'll now click on status and release. Remember, you can't withdraw the money without releasing, and then I'll leave the positive feedback to the vendor. Thank you for the trade. Okay, so I'll now give 5-star and submit the review. So now the next step, I need to go and withdraw the funds. So I'll go back to my wallet, withdraw, and now you see I have to withdraw amount in my wallet. On spot wallet USDT I have 196. So now I put my address here and then withdraw the funds. So that's how you make trading on P2P and make profit daily. Thank you so much for watching this video.